Welcome back to Cause3D, and today we're going to talk about R2's electronics. And we're not going to get too deep into this, but let's just show you some of the basics of the wiring. Let's get to it. So as you can see, we've got everything painted, assembled, everything's good to go right now. There are lights in pretty much everything. I do have one light that I can't get an LED to lit right now, but we're going to deal with that later. But this is probably one of the more tedious parts of getting everything in there and getting everything in correctly. And I'm not going to go into too much detail on this simply because I'm not an electrician. So what I did was I actually found someone who was. And I ordered my light kit from them. I did not solder these wires myself because, let's face it, I don't have quite that knack for getting in there and doing that fine detailed soldering. So I thought, why stress about it? Why mess with it? So I'm going to drop a link down in the description. And where I bought multiple light kits over the years, but there was one guy in Spain, his name's Gons, and he is probably my favorite person to deal with. He's phenomenal. He's super easy to work with. His English is good enough that you can communicate with him really well. But huge shout out goes out to Gons for what he does, especially on the R2 forums and the Battle A printed droids. The guy's a beast. He really has some really good light kits. As you can see, I ordered the full light kit, so I have the dome, and it may not be in. I apologize to the camera. But I also have the data panel lights and everything else in here as well that I haven't installed yet. But we're going to get this flipped upside down. On the video, I had already pretty much put in a lot of the components because it takes me forever to figure out the wiring diagrams. I am no expert. So we're just going to kind of do a pass through so that you can see me kind of cleaning up some of the cables and seeing how it's wired and so forth. Again, this is not a how-to. This is just a, hey, I did it on this one. I will link the diagrams. Hopefully, if I can get access to the diagrams, I'll link those in the description. They're just the TC light diagrams. And also, I will make sure and put a description or a link down there for Gons if you want to contact him and potentially order a light kit from him. So let's get to the other part of the video. Well, thanks for joining us today, and as always, I just hope you learned something. This isn't probably something that's going to help you a ton, but down in the description, I'm going to try to link as much information as I can, and of course, you can always get help on the forums and so on. But hope you did learn something, and if you're thinking about building a droid and you look at this and think, wow, that's super intimidating, it is, but it is doable, especially if you have the right resources for it. So hopefully you learned something today. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one.